Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel where skincare is all about progression over perfection because perfection doesn't exist. And today I have a good old-fashioned skincare haul for you. It's been a while and I tend to do my hauls at the beginning of the year. And today's haul is sponsored by puresoul.co.uk. So for my friends here in the UK, if you want speedy delivery, ease of access, then puresoul.co.uk is one of the places to shop. Let's start off with this. This is the tranexamic acid and glutathione eye cream from Mary and May. And this is really an eye cream to help with discoloration under the eyes and dark spots in general. So I know it's an eye cream, but I'm kind of tempted to use it as almost like a spot treatment. So I'll do like my eye cream and then I'll just pat around if I have any dark spots or post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. So tranexamic acid is an amazing skin brightening ingredient. It helps even out skin tone. Now glutathione is an antioxidant that occurs naturally within the skin. And to be honest with you, I've not seen it in a lot of products that I know of. I mean, I've not actively been looking for it, but I also don't think I've seen it in many things. And when in a good dose can help brighten pigmentation as well, hyperpigmentation. So it's an interesting one. I'm kind of going to be using this, as I said, as an eye cream, brightening skin kind of hybrid. I'll let you know how it goes. Now, this is one I wanted to try. I saw it on Kelly Driscoll's channel, I think it was, and this reminds me very much of the Dr. Circle Kombucha tea essence. You got that creamy top, you got like that fruity bottom, and then when you shake it up, it becomes like this milky essence. Oh, this is the Mary & May Vegan Blackberry Complex Cream Essence. I mentioned in another video that I'm wanting to try like new ingredients, and blackberry is meant to be good for helping with skin damage, helping restore your skin barrier, strengthen your skin barrier, so we'll see. Centella asiatica, which of course I love in everything, it's soothing. We have ceramide in here as well for barrier repair as well, and general strengthening, and then we have jojoba seed oil in here, skin barrier strengthening again, moisturizing without that oily kind of like typical what you consider oily finish. Fragrance-free, vegan, cruelty-free. Mary & May is one of those brands that like, every time I try their products, I'm like, oh, yeah, I like this. So yeah, I'm excited to try this and kind of, maybe I'll do a comparison to the Dr. Circle one because I love that one so much. On that note, we have the Mary & May Idebenone and Blackberry Complex. This is a serum for like, again, glowy skin. I have never heard of Idebenone. None. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. I believe it's an antioxidant, and also the color of the product is very similar to like kind of like a vitamin C serum. Obviously we have the blackberry in here. We have 20% blackberry complex serum, which again, skin barrier strengthening and caring and moisturizing. Idebenone, I'm saying that wrong. I've never said that in my life. It's supposedly a super powerful antioxidant. On their website, it says that it has an antioxidant effect of 4 times higher than that of vitamin C and 10 times higher than Q10. So I'm interested to see if this can kind of like replace a vitamin C serum in the sense that it's not going to feel like a typical vitamin C serums, although vitamin C serums nowadays, I always shoot them down. They're very nice. A lot of them just feel like gel moisturizers, but it's interesting to kind of see. I just don't like vitamin C. I don't know what it is. I just don't like using it. I feel like it's not for me. So it'll be interesting to see if I can get my antioxidants from Idebenone. Toners. I'm always stocking up on toners because I go through toners so quickly, so easily. They go on my face, they go on my neck, they go on my body sometimes, they go on wherever I'm feeling particularly dry and dehydrated, and I know a lot of people are anti-toner, but listen, people preach about how important hydration is. One of the easiest ways to get hydration is through a toner. To get extra hydration through a toner. It's going to do you no harm to do a toner, and some of my favorite toners are calming toners. This is the Migura. I've never heard of half these brands. I want to try something different. So this is the Green Tea Calming Essence Toner, Anti-Aging, Functioning, Relief and Recovery Toner. This contains sodium hyaluronate, super hydrating, panthenol, which is nicely moisturizing, green tea, an amazing antioxidant, calming, soothing. But we have fermented green tea in here, which supposedly enhances its stability and how easily it gets absorbed into the skin as well. And that's it really. It's a very simple calming toner. It looks like just a little bit thicker than water, which is how I like my toners. I like to be able to put them in the palm of my hand, rub them and then pat onto the skin without toner flying around everywhere. I kind of wanted to try something like the old style, like these hydrogel patches because I've been using reusable ones for a really, really long time. They are really good, but these are the Matcha Biome hydrogel eye patches. I kind of got these because of this eye cream, which will make sense in a second, but there's something about that kind of like more serum-y kind of texture that hydrogel eye patches are packed in with that I really like under the eyes, almost like a gel type eye cream that I've really been like leaning into more recently. I usually keep these in the fridge, so when I've been so tired recently, so tired. I've had to do social things, so I've been exhausted. Putting these in the fridge, then putting these on under your eyes are a real game changer for me. Not this particular brand, but hydrogel patches in general. To wake you up, make you look more alive, make you look like you're ready to film a video, for example. But there's probiotics in here, and of course matcha to help calm and soothe the skin, help moisturize, strengthen your skin barrier. And again, we have fermented probiotics in here, which I'm seeing a bit more in K-beauty recently. Again, helping to strengthen your skin barrier. Now, a really common concern about these hydrogel eye patches is that they're wasteful. They're kind of, you know, the hydrogel, you bin it and you just, it creates a lot of waste. But these hydrogel patches are made from sea plants and they fully dissolve in water. So I'm gonna give them a go and I'll put the clip in here. I don't know how well you can see this, but the eye patch is getting like thinner and thinner. It's been maybe 2 hours now, but look at that. It's turning into like almost like a seaweedy texture. So my guess is in for like another 5 hours or so, it'll be completely dissolved. Because obviously, you know, that's a big reason why I use reusable eye patches, because I go through them a lot. I use them pretty much every day. But if they can dissolve in water and go back into the sea where they came from, that's good. And I must say, the older I get, the puffier I become under the eyes in the morning. Not all the time. Like I'm still, you know, I still got no wrinkles here naturally. Yeah, and just checking. And I don't get that puffy, but when I've had a really, you know, like when I've been really busy, I do get quite puffy. When I've eaten crap the night before, I get very puffy. Cold hydrogel patches and a cold spoon, really. But they seem to be one of the only things that can really like bring me back down to a non-puffy level. Oh, next up, I'm really excited to try this. This is the Watermelon Moisture Soothing Gel, again from Hamish. You know why I bought this. I thought this might be a dupe for Glow Recipe. I mean, it looks really nice, really nice. I love a gel cream and it's in a good sized bottle as well, tub. So on the website it says Hamish Moisture Surge Gel Cream calms and gives a pleasant cooling on a hot summer day. Whilst watermelon extract is a nice antioxidant but also can also help moisturize the skin. Watermelon extract is the second ingredient, so there's a good amount in there. We have aloe leaf extract, sodium hyaluronate, so I can tell this is going to be so nicely hydrating. And from what I see, there's no menthol in it, so hopefully it's cooling without being minty. Do you know what I mean? Like, you know, you get that like, oh, like almost like toothpaste feel on your face. So hopefully it's going to be cooling without any of that. Let's just open it. Let's open it. Yes, definitely no scent to it. Oh, that's like instantly cold. Oh, I like that. Oh, it does feel, it's really soothing. It's really cooling. And what I can see myself like piling this on my skin and almost using it like a gel mask for my rosacea flare-ups or where I have any kind of like really irritated skin, because it is instantly cooling. It's still cool on the face now, like it hasn't warmed up with the warmth from my skin. Okay, I mentioned that I kind of like the serum-y kind of like under eye creams at the moment, and I've already talked about this product, but I have to get it again. This is the Tokobo Collagen Brightening Eye Gel Cream. This is just like I said, an eye cream, but imagine like a lightweight serum instead of like a light cream. It's incredibly watery and just smooths right over the skin. Like I feel like this would be a great makeup primer if you wear makeup, but this feels like a quenching hydration for under your eyes. I've been quite dry up here, especially for some reason recently. I don't really know why, but I've already finished my other one of this because it's just so good at like hydrating and nourishing and quenching under my eyes. And then I actually team it up with a thicker eye cream at night. So I'll use this in the morning, use this, then almost go over the top and try and lock all that hydration in with another eye cream. Now we have plant-derived collagen and retinol in here, really to help moisturize under the eyes. We do have lavender water in here as well, which is like supposedly calming. I never had to calm around my eyes, so I can't really speak to that. And then of course D-panthenol, which is hydrating, soothing. But really it's that hydrated, moisturized, glowy look that it gives my under eyes. I want glowy under eyes. I want glowy under eyes. I want light to reflect off the glow and make it look like I'm not tired, you know? And this is just such a nice texture. Like, I honestly, I want you to give this a go. This is my second tube of this. I love it. And finally, we have the Tokobo lip balm collection. I just love lip balms. I love having them dotted around everywhere. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We get 2 powder cream lip balm, 2 glass tinted balm, and then a vitamin nourishing lip balm. They say shiny, fresh lips that glow like a glass bead. That's what I want. That's what I want. Let's try the tinted one. I love a tinted lip balm. Okay, so we have flush cherry, tangerine red, carrot cake, rose petal, and then this is just a clear balm. I'm gonna open rose petal because it looks like the most natural tint to me. Nice. Very nice. Ooh. Oh, I like that. I feel like that's quite natural. It's like my lip colour, but just like a little bit more even and nicer, no? It's a little bit mattifying, which I don't mind, but it feels really nicely hydrating. Oh yeah, so they're powder cream lip balm. So it's a soft matte type lip balm with a creamy and blush powder texture. I get it, it's nice. So we've got sweet almond oil in these with fatty acids, macadamia oil, which is an antioxidant to help moisturize as well, olive oil, sunflower oil. I'll be honest, all ingredients that you want to see in a lip balm. It feels really nice. This definitely feels like a day kind of lip balm because when I go to bed, I like to use a thick kind of lip balm. And you could probably layer this up if you want like a more vivid color. But I'm not going to bed with a vivid color on my lips. But for the daytime, these are perfect. I really, really like these. I'm going to open the other ones quick. Future me here because I forgot to include one product. And that is the Iliyoun Ceramide Atto Concentrate Cream. So this is a ceramide cream. We all know ceramides are good for our skin. They help reinforce our skin barrier, help it do what it does naturally, you know? And this contains little ceramide capsules, apparently, and has more of a matte finish rather than a dewy finish. I wanted this because I saw Kelly Driscoll talking about it. She's spoken about it on and off, but whenever she talks about it, I'm always like, oh my God, yeah, I need to try that, I need to try that. And this has recently been reformulated to include 2 times more ceramides than the previous version, and something called soja extract, which is supposedly calming, soothing, and relieves any kind of itchiness that you get from a damaged skin barrier. 100 times more soja extract in this one. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it. It's a very popular one online. A lot of people absolutely love it. And apparently it's good for all skin types as well and great to use on the body. So I will be cracking this open the moment I finish my current ceramide moisturizer. So yeah, there is my mini haul from Pure Soul. Check out the description box for all the links in today's video and some promotional codes as well. Get yourself a little discount. You can check out some more, I don't know, reviews here, product reviews here, and some general light entertainment here, and I'll see you over there.